All right, gentlemen, in the time that we have remaining, I'd like to move us on to our third discussion point today, and that is scaling AI beyond siloed processes. Now, while pilots can be successful, only 15% of AI initiatives scale effectively across organizations, often due to accuracy, integration, or security challenges. So let's examine strategies to expand AI initiatives beyond those isolated projects. Now, Kyle, what strategies have you seen proven effective for expanding AI from a pilot or a siloed use case to an enterprise-wide adoption?
A lot of the advice that I'd offer here goes back to the previous comments around running this like you would a traditional transformation where you have leadership engagement, prioritization, resources, tiger teams, governance, to the last point that you, Kevin, and David were making. Um, Sort of maybe double clicking into that, I agree. I think David's point about um, picking places that have high efficacy or thinking about where you're going to have high efficacy in applications is an important one in how you roll this out, sort of how you cascade across an organization. So if you started a pilot, best practices, you sort of pick a beachhead, you pick the highest efficacy area to start the pilot so that you can show success, build confidence, test and evaluate whatever AI instruments, tools that you're using. Um, and when I say efficacy, the way that we often think about it is where are there use cases that if they are successful will drive high value, but it won't be too difficult to get started. So there's a little bit of data to start with. You've got potential users of the AI tools that are excited about using the tool. You can allocate those resources, a portion of those resources, to driving this forward. Those are the high efficacy areas. And then you kind of just stratify across the organization, highest efficacy to lowest efficacy, and you sort of use that methodology to determine your prioritization of how you roll it out. In our customers that have the most successful adoption, that's one of the primary guiding principles that is driving that adoption and scaling.